Want to know how to change your language in Game of Thrones? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Game of Thrones, and once you've done all of that, you can simply install every single assets or game files as you want. So once you've done all of that, you should be provided here, and on the bottom left side you should be seeing a gear icon. This is the settings, so you can just simply select it. Now once you have the settings here, you should be provided with various options, and on the left side on the bottom you should be seeing language. That should be right below gameplay. Just simply select that, and now once you have the language here, you should be seeing various languages available. So you can just simply select this drop down box right here, and once you have selected that, here you can change some language, that is 4 or 5 languages. So you can just simply select any one of these and then select confirm, and you should be good to go. Now make sure you restart your game to apply the change. So once you have restarted it, your change should be applied, and that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.